Hello everyone and welcome back for another video, and today is another wheel cleaner video again on this car, which has one wheel left with 5,000 kilometer worth of brake dust on. And the product we're testing out today is the Waxaddict wheel shampoo. It's a spray on wheel shampoo. It's safe to use on wax trims. It lubricates fine normally. It's pH neutral and it is acid and alkaline free. The directions say you should shake it, you should pre-rinse the wheels if it's possible. We're not gonna do that because I want to see how much of the brake dust it can lift from itself. It is just a spray on product, so we'll see. I'm gonna spray the wheels, soak the wheels. It says spray a generous amount, so we'll do that. I'm gonna spray the wheels off afterwards and see how much of the brake dust it's actually removed. Afterwards I'm gonna agitate them and hopefully they will be clean. So it should be a slick product, so we'll see that. Is it a good smelling product? We will see. It's a neutral smelling product, so it's not special or something. I didn't get a sprayer with it, so I just put this shitty sprayer on it. So I will show you guys the wheel and I will soak it and we'll see how good it does. So the wheel looks pretty clean on camera, but when I go over it with my finger, you can definitely see there is a lot of brake dust on the wheels. So I'm just gonna spray it on there. So I rinsed the wheels, but they are still filthy. There's not a lot of brake dust removed. Did remove a little layer of it. There was a lot on it, but didn't do that much. So I'm gonna spray it on again, agitate the wheel and see how it does. But it has not that much cleaning power. The wheels are as clean as they can be. There is still some wet coat on the wheels, so it didn't remove that. The second time it worked out, but I'm gonna talk to you guys inside. Okay, so we are done with the Waxaddict wheel shampoo. It did remove all of the brake dust from the second time, but not from the first time. It did actually almost nothing at the first time. So it's not that easy of a product to work with. It is very slick, it won't damage your wheels, but it don't remove a lot of brake dust from itself, from the product itself, without agitating it. It was a pretty good test. There was a lot of brake dust on the wheels, but didn't pass the test. So that will be my conclusion of this Waxaddict wheel shampoo. Test it out for yourself, or maybe you have tested it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this product, and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I see you guys on the next video. Ciao!